हेलो दोस्तों, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए टेक्निकल अयूब जी चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाइए लेटेस्ट वीडियो देखने के लिए सबसे पहले।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. I am Ayub Khan and you're watching Technical IG channel. Friends, today we are gonna see iPhone is disabled. This is an error we get and I got lot of queries about this, how to fix this issue without using iTunes. So let's try to fix this one today with using iPhone 6 Plus. I'll just show you how to fix this one without using iTunes. Let's start friends. Friends, this is my channel. You can see I have uploaded lot of videos you can learn from my channel. And recently I have loaded VIVO Y93, so you can just see it. And I have also categorized with all models and how to FRP bypass without computer and tools. You can use you can see the list of videos in that. And I have created each models. I have created videos for that, my friends. And let's see, this is the phone I was talking about, Apple iPhone S Plus 6s Plus, and this has a CPU of Apple A9. So let's see the phone now. See friends, it shows iPhone is disabled. So first let us try to turn off the phone. Today I am going to use 3U tools. That is one of the best tool I can say of apart from iTunes. So because iTunes has lot of restrictions, but 3U tools is a free tool where you can do lot of information. You can just fix lot of information through that. You can install firmware and you can view all the information about the iPhone. So this is the tool I was talking about. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one to download mode. So for that, what you need to do, you need to hold the home key button, press the home key button, and then connect your iPhone cable. Yes, just keep holding on till you can see. Now you can see the recovery mode. See your friends, here it clearly shows what is the model number and the serial number and all the information. You can see it here. So now I'm just clicking on this button, go to flash. Friends, see when you click this one, automatically this iTunes will recommend which version you can install it. So you also have the beta version at the top. You can also choose that and install, but it recommends which version you can install. So here is a button. When you click on download, see here's a button, you can start downloading directly. Now at present I don't have the software, so I just click on download, and here you can see the file is been downloading here. So let me just fast forward it so that it will save your time. So the new people who have seen this channel, I request you to please go ahead and subscribe my channel so that you can see I used to upload the daily videos. You can watch and you can learn from it. Not only iPhones, I used to flash Samsung phones and all later Vivo phones, Oppo phones, MI, especially there are a lot of videos about MI, FRP, how to FRP unlock and other details. You can learn from it. And if you have any doubts or any comments, you can just feel free to contact me in the comment section, or you want me to got any doubts on anything, I'll just provide Facebook and Instagram details in the description, where you can reach me out. In the Facebook Messenger also you can reach me out, so that I'll try to help you, inshallah. Friends, now you can see I'm just fast forwarding it. It is going to complete this one. 90%. So it is, so once it is downloaded, it will try to verify it. So it is good to verify it. So this tool is verifying whether this files has been properly downloaded. So I like one of this is also one of the beautiful thing iTunes this 3U tools has actually. So you can see here it has been downloaded. So I'm just closing it, and it will show here automatically. It will show here in green, it shows download. So now it is very easy. Now you can just go ahead and click on flash. That's it, friends. Automatically it will start uploading it. And please remember, while flashing it, please don't remove your USB cable from your phone. So this is information what it will show you. So if you want, you can take a backup, or you can just flash. So I'm just fast forwarding it, friends. It will complete it in few seconds. What happens now, normally from 60 to 80% it will be a bit slow, and after 80% it will be very slow. So don't worry about that. You just be calm. It will take minimum of 20 to 30 minutes to complete this process. So please be calm, and it will take some time to complete it. You don't have to do anything. So automatically it will be completing itself, and you can go to the main page. So friends, please do subscribe my channel and hit a bell icon, and please do like the videos. And also you can watch the latest video which I have uploaded recently for Vivo Y93 with free tool. Yes my friends, it is a free tool. I have uploaded it. You can use that one, and you can do the Google and pattern unlock or pin unlock. It will be done within 5 seconds. It will unlock it. I have given the link below in that video. So please do not forget to watch that video and learn it accordingly. So you can see here, friends, it shows 80% now. Automatically it will be rebooting, I believe. Yes. So automatically it clearly shows that it has been completed. Congratulations, clean flash has been done, completed. So now it will take at least 3 to 4 minutes to complete that process. I'm also forwarding, skipping this one. And just click on OK, and let's go and see. When I click on iDevice, I see here all the information about your phone has been displayed here. Each and every details has been displayed. What is your power, battery? See, it shows 19%. So it will show each and all the information here. And also it also shows whether the iCloud is off or on. It says off. And if you click on here, so you can see all the details, online details about the phone and everything, all information here. So one of the beauty of this tool, it shows everything about the phone. See, here shows iCloud is off. So friends, it will automatically take some time. Let me just fast forward it. Yes, see here, friends, that the iPhone is disabled error has been fixed. So now we got a fresh phone like. So now you can just click on next, and you can give your iCloud ID and password, and you can just enter it. So it will fix that issue. So that's it, friends. That's all for today. So friends, do please just subscribe my channel and hit a bell icon. And if you have any comments or anything, just mention in the comment section. I can help you out. And have a great day ahead. And please help others, and God will help you out. So assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so you never miss any video from my channel.